So, if you want to grow a palm tree, first thing you have to collect the seeds. And here you can see fine looking seeds. Just take some of them, like six or 8 or 10, and bring them home. Okay, here you go. So I let the seeds dry for about 2 weeks, and as you can see, they are quite dry and they are hard. They are very hard right now. They're not fleshy and smooth as they were before. And what you do next is you boil a little bit of water, and then you let it cool down, and leave it just a little bit warm, not too much. And you put the seeds in this water. You put the seeds in this water, and you leave it for about 2 days in the water. On the second day, change the water again. Boil again a little bit of water. Let it cool down, and then change the water and leave it 1 more day inside the water. 2 days after, they have been 2 days in the water. So now I'm gonna take them from the water, and I peel them. I take off this fleshy part that's around the center, and right now you have this hard seed inside, and it's this you're gonna use to germinate. I'm only going to use 2 seeds, but you can use all of them because you increase the chance of having them sprouting. But I'm only going to use 2 because they normally always sprout. So next step, I use 2 paper napkins. I open them and I put one on top of the other. Put the seeds on, close it, spray it with some water. Okay, then fold it, some more water, turn it around. Okay, easy. Then use a plastic bag, put it inside. Okay. And next step, use a bag that doesn't let the sunlight go inside, because the seeds grow better in the dark. So I put the seeds inside this cardboard bag. Okay. And now I'm gonna keep it in a warm place. Normally I put it near the window for it to get warm with the sun, but you can put it in another place in your house that is warm, for example on top of the fridge, or a machine that gets warm. So just put it in a warm place and wait. So let's see how the seeds are now. They've been in here for 4 weeks. Before the second week, it had already sprouted, but I let it stay more time for it to get bigger and stronger roots. So let's have a look. As you can see, it already sprouted, and it has a big and strong root. Let's see the other one. It also sprouted, and also with a big and strong root. Now the next step is to put the seeds on potting soil. I use plastic cups to plant the seeds. On one I put the soil and make holes in the bottom, and in the other cup I put something inside, in this case clay balls, for it to make some space for the excess water to fall down. Then make a hole in the soil with your finger. In this case, I'm going to make a deep hole because the root is big. And then put the seed with the root facing down. Cover it just a little bit. Don't put the seed too deep, just almost on the surface. And then cover just a little bit, not too much, with a little bit of soil. Press it gently, spray it with some water, and just wait. You should spray some water every day or every 2 days. You can put it in a bright place, for example near a window. It doesn't need direct sunlight, and just put it in a bright place and wait some days. 23 days after, it finally sprouted. As you can see, it's a really small sprout. Day 2 after sprouting, you can see that it's a little bit bigger, and it's interesting. I did not show it yesterday, but the root has grown out of the cup, so it's a really big root. So this is day 4. The little palm tree is slowly growing, and next step, I'm gonna pass it. I'm gonna put it in a bigger pot, and maybe I'll make a video in how it's growing for you to see its evolution. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you. Bye bye.